Okay, so we want to have a look at the on-screen keyboard. I'm just going to show you something. So this is my new guide that I've been working on. All right, let's just go to another page. Very light. You can't even, it looks like I'm not even doing anything, right? Now, all right, there is no T up here. I only opened it to show you this. There is no T because you can't open your keyboard in a PDF. So let us open and create a notebook now. And we'll just keep all the default settings. And can you see now the T shows up? We click on the T, it's going to give us the tooltip, which is fine. And then you have the on-screen keyboard, sorry. You can type in 4 different paragraph styles. So this is the formatting menu for your on-screen keyboard. It's I get a little tongue-tied. This is your title. Choose subheading, body text. Okay. I want subheading. I won't bother doing a hyphen right now, just to save time for you and me. And then this is the body. Don't type too fast. I've learnt the hard way. If you don't see it there, if you just tap, you'll find it. This is the bullet points. We all know what they are. And now the fabulous checkboxes, which are live. Close the keyboard. They're live outside of the keyboard and in the keyboard. That's really cool. So that's the typing text you can do in a notebook, right? You're in a notebook, not a PDF. See notebook settings. All right, I'm going to 2 fingers gesture. I'm going to go back to this document that we were just in. I'm going to go into notebook settings and I'm going to show you. See how it doesn't say notebook anymore? It says PDF settings. There, that's important. You're never going to be able to type, but here's the secret. If I want to type in here, all I have to do is add a new page. And now I'm on a blank layer, a blank template. And look at this. See the T for the typewriters come up again? Because I can press and hold for capitals, blank pages will let you type in a PDF. And then if we go to symbols, we can do exclamation marks galore. And I'm going to close that. Oh, spelling error. I tried so hard, but that's okay. So that's important to know when with your on-screen keyboard. You just tap the T and you use the on-screen keyboard. Now, as soon as I go to the previous page, you see how the T disappears? Look at that. I'm here, disappears, comes back, because this is, if I want to use technical terms for you now, I'm going to tell you this is a PNG page inside this PDF. I hope that's not too confusing. Let's call a PDF a square and a PNG file a circle. This page, if we go here to the grid, this one page is a PNG page inside of this PDF. And you can, when you're in there, you can type on it. And you can convert to text. If I come down here, where's it gone? Oh, sorry, it's this one. Sorry, that threw me. All right, you can convert to text on a PNG page, even if it's in a PDF. But you'll notice that in here, if I write hello and I go to here, there's no convert to text option. Nothing. Can't do it. Okay? Good. So that's the on-screen keyboard. Awesome.